po kayo ka-proud na ito na nasa NBA na si Dylan?
Masayang masaya na-achieve niya ang kanyang dream, you know, since childhood.
Between kay Dylan tsaka kay Ron, sino mas paborito nyo at bakit to?
They're both the same. Don't ask me that.
How often does he ask, your famed chicken adobo po?
Every time he sees me.
And how would you describe Dylan as a young boy po? Like the side that we don't see. Kasi we see him like he's always on the court, like playing well, representing the USA. How would you describe him po?
He's very aggressive, okay, determined, and always trying to be a perfectionist, you know. But I would say si Ronald, yung kanyang kapatid na mas matanda, is really, he paved the way for his brother Elsa. So I'm equally proud of both of them.
Lola, what are some few Tagalog words that you've taught him? For sure po may naturo na po kayo sa kanya. And like, does he say them po?
Magandang umaga, salamat po, And we really don't talk to them in Tagalog, because they're in and out, very busy all the time. So basically, we speak English.
Pag pumunta po ba sina Dylan tsaka si Miss Maria next year sa Pilipinas, sasama po ba kayo?
We'll see.